It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, birds. Morning, Woofy the dog. Morning, Lolly the lamb. There's Honk the car. There's Swo Swoosh the helicopter. Morning, Swo Swoosh. What's Woofy doing? Asks Honk.
I think Woofy's trying to bite his own tail,
says Swo Swoosh. Look at what Woofy can do. Woofy can bite his own tail. There's Toot the boat.
Good morning, everybody. What is Woofy doing?
Asked Toot. Honk told Toot what Woofy was doing.
Please, can I try?
Bleats Lolly the lamb. Can Lolly the lamb reach her own tail? Look, the rabbits are also trying. Your tails are too short, explains Honk.
Why don't you show us something else you can do?
Says Toot.
Let's try and touch our noses with our elbows,
calls Floppy. What funny rabbits. No one can touch their nose with their elbow, Toot chuckles.
Who can bite their own ears?
Asked Toot. Lamb and Woofy can't bite their own ears. Their ears are too short. The rabbits have very long ears. Their ears can easily reach their mouths.
Look at me! I can touch my nose with my long tongue,
says Lolly the lamb. You must have the longest tongue in all of Springland, says Honk.
I have the longest tongue in Springland,
announces Croak proudly. Croak the frog has the longest tongue in Springland. Toot, what can you do that's very special? Asks Honk.
Hey, everybody, look what I can do,
calls Swo Swoosh. It was Honk's turn to show everybody he could also do something special. Honk the car. Good morning, everybody. Morning, Swo Swoosh the helicopter. Honk and the farm animals are on their way to the harbor. Toot the boat and Lolly the whale are going to have a water race. Morning, Croak. Are you coming to watch the race? Everybody is invited, says Honk.
Oh yes, I love a good race,
says Croak the frog. There's Toot the boat. He is wearing a red ribbon. There's Wally the whale. He has a green ribbon. Who is going to win the race, red or green? Toot is going to win. Toot is much, much faster than Wally the whale, says Swoosh Swoosh. Who? Toot? That old boat? Never. Wally the whale can swim much faster, argues Honk. Wally the whale and Toot are ready to start the race. Good luck, Wally. Good luck, Toot. Honk will see who wins the race. Swoosh Swoosh is ready to start the race.
Good luck, Wally.
Whispers Toot.
May the best boat win. Good luck, Toot.
Whispers Wally the whale.
May the best whale win.
Swoosh Swoosh starts the race. On your marks, get set. And away they go. Honk is cheering for Wally. Faster, Toot! Shouts Swoosh Swoosh. Wally the whale can swim much faster under the water. Oh dear, where is Toot going? The finish line is the other way. Toot is looking for his friend, Wally Whale.
Wally! Wally!
Calls a worried Toot. Wally is going to win the race. Oh no, he isn't. What's happening? Wally has stopped. Oh dear, now Wally is swimming away from the finish line.
There you are, Wally,
calls Toot.
Where have you been? I was worried you got lost. I was under the water. I was worried you couldn't steer properly. You suddenly stopped and went the wrong way,
says Wally. Honk and Swoosh Swoosh realized that this was a very special race. So, who won the race? asked Croak the Frog. Nobody won the race, Croak, explains Honk. But it was the best race we've ever had in Springland. Wally and Toot didn't care. Day in Springland. Morning, birds. Morning, Wally the whale. Morning, foal. Swo Swoosh the helicopter has a new harness. It is used for lifting things up into the air. Hey, there's Honk the car. Today, Swo Swoosh wants to take Honk flying. Come on, Honk! I'll give you the first airlift in my new harness, calls Swo Swoosh. Poor Honk is scared, but he doesn't want to tell anybody. Not today, thanks, says Honk. Not today, calls Honk. Poor Swo Swoosh thinks Honk is mad with him.
Maybe Honk isn't feeling well today.
Bleats Lolly the lamb. Phew, Honk is very glad that Swo Swoosh has flown away.
Flying must be such fun,
says Torty Turtle, giving Honk a big fright. There's Toot the boat. I don't think Honk wants to be my friend anymore, Toot, says an unhappy Swo Swoosh. Honk doesn't want Swo Swoosh to ask him to fly again. Honk explains to Toot that he is afraid of heights and gets very dizzy if he goes too high. Swo Swoosh is my best friend. How am I going to tell him I don't want to have an airlift? Asks Honk. I'm a car, not a bird. I like staying on the ground.
There's only one thing to do, Honk,
Explains Toot.
You must tell Swo Swoosh the truth.
But Toot, says Honk, then everybody will think I'm a scaredy cat and they will laugh at me.
No, Honk. There's nothing wrong with telling someone you're afraid of something,
Explains Toot. Are you still mad with me, Honk? Asked Swo Swoosh. I wasn't mad with you. I was just too shy to tell you I'm scared of flying, explains Honk. Oh, I'm sorry, Honk. I didn't know you were afraid of heights, says Swo Swoosh. Hey, I'm scared of some things too, like falling into the water, admits Swo Swoosh.
Please, can I have a ride?
Asked Torty Turtle.